Hello friends, welcome to my blog. Today we the student of Tripura Theological College are going out for sightseeing. Please follow the video and you'll be seeing where we are going. So guys, we have reached our destination.
Okay.
That is Hathai Kotor. So finally we have reached Hathai Kotor Eco Park. There is also a facility for boating, but the water is very less. We really have a good time walking these steps. It's like kind of good exercise for us. Our principal from TTC is leading us. This is the viewpoint in this Hathai Kotor Park. If you climb on top of this, you will able to enjoy the beauty of the nature. Just a beautiful houses with different kind of designs. It is like gairing, which we call in Khumulwng. We also had a little bit of adventure crossing this road. Now we're returning back. Now we're getting ready for our lunch. Our Sukumar Jamatia is praying for the food and thanking God for this food.
Amen.
After a delicious meal, now we're returning back.
This is it.
So now we're leaving this place and we'll go to next location. Stay with us. And now we reach Khumulwng Park. We are just in front of the gate. It's very hot and sunny day out here, but still we're enjoying it.
Yo. Tripura Theological students are coming here at ADC Khumulwng Park.
Yes, principal.
For the first time as a Tripura Theological College students.
How do you feel the
Yeah.
heat of the sun?
The heat of the sun is too much warm and it is very humid.
Do you think will you be able to bear?
Yeah.
Okay, best of luck. Our two miss is also joining us.
I think Brother FK will remember his childhood.
You can see our friends, they're behaving like a child. I'm sure they're enjoying and they remember their childhood memories. Now we feel so thirsty that we want to go to canteen to have some cool drinks. We really enjoy and we had a great time together. That's all for today. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. See you in next video.